Hello, this is Victoria from Costume Vintage Jewelry Collector. I bought a vintage jewelry lot, well, a jewelry lot. This is a job lot, which means a lot of this jewelry is broken or has some sort of defect. But we'll give it a chance and we'll see what we'll see what surprises this lot brings. So straight off I see this ball looking at me. This is some sort of, I don't know, is that like a pendant or was it like a earring? Some sort of a resin with all kind of like beads and elements sunk into it. Not really crazy about it. It's a bit weird. And then there is this necklace. Doesn't seem to be old, judging by the lobster clasp. And the bead is sort of it's quite light, and they have a bit of a plasticky feeling to them. But at the same time, I don't really think this is plastic. They're all different shapes. When I bought it, I thought this might be amber, and it still might be amber. But not very good at identifying stones, like semi-precious stones. So I don't know, what do you think? And I've pulled out another necklace. This one seems to have some age to it. Has this barrel clasp. This one feels like, you know, it's stone, it's chips of agate or something like that, or quartz. The dark green one look a bit like moss agate, but the lighter stones feel just like quartz, I think. It's quite nice. Let's get this. This is long. Is there something short I can get? Oh, here you go. An earring. My daughter took away the magnet. Damn it. It does look a bit like silver. It has a nice tarnish in places. But probably isn't. I don't know. It's sort of an Indian style, ethnic style or something like that. And I don't think there is a pair to it. That's that. Another earring. This is like a plastic acrylic something. Nice color. Right. Let's get this. Got tangled. Here you go. Got tangled in this hook here. It has a knot there, and I don't understand what that, how is that supposed to be? I think it was supposed to be here. It's interesting because this element has been fused with this, but they're from different metals. This one looks like brass, and that looks like it might potentially be silver. This might be glass. Yes, this is definitely glass. I don't know. I don't know what to do with it because I don't know how to repair it. Oh, I see a pair of earrings. I wonder if this is... No, I don't think this, it's not silver. I can see some coppery metal under this plate, silver plate. But it is a stone. It might be not be the whole stone, because I've seen on this. Can you see this chip here? So it looks like it's only like a plaque of this. Is it like lapis lazuli stone? But as I said, it's not like really a stone, just a small thin plaque. Yeah, I'm not crazy about them either, but what did I got here? A part of a necklace, I think, 50s or 60s. There's missing, obviously it's broken. Oh, there is a hair there. Ew. Obviously it is broken. It's quite nice. It has this black enameled leaves and pearls. And the pearls are quite dirty, but otherwise they seem to be quite in a good shape. It's not even dirty, it's just, I think, the glue. Not the best glue. A very weird looking hook earring. Another element. I actually like this one. Looks funny. Big bowl. Now I do like these. It's actually not broken. There's the clasp. You can add chain here for some length. Just tend to turn on the sides, but otherwise everything seems to be in place. And it has this glass crystals in. It's not bezel, because the bezel should be flat from either side. Sort of this bezel style jewelry necklace. I like that. Brooch. There's quite a lot of missing stones. So I don't know what color. So there is a blue, aqua blue here, so maybe aqua blue here and aqua blue here, full of some symmetry. And then a pearl here, maybe a blue one, like a dark blue here. Okay, that's doable. Interesting, I think. It's class. Sort of dark red, burgundy color. Clasp is a bit, so it does has a mark, and I see 4 numbers, and I'm pretty sure this mark is Sphinx. Yeah, it is Sphinx. Quite a heavy piece. A bead. There's a missing red bead on the bead. A missing red, whatever. A earring, a very dirty one. Ew. I think there was something glued on this side. Right. Oh, that's another part of these. I guess this could be done actually. Oops. Oh, it's falling apart. I think they could be sort of fastened up, tightened up. Okay. Some cufflinks with a duck or goose. It almost look like this sticky paper. Let's get that. Looks promising. It has this barrel clasp, and it's kind of like brassy looking beads. And then it has this. Is the dirt? Oh, that's dirt. Everything seems to be quite dirty. It's quite heavy, but you know, it doesn't feel like, you know, like this one is cold and I think this is plastic. I can't really get a I can't really understand what it's made of. It has like cracks and they're all quite different. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what it's made of. So this one's broken, as you can see. It's just the string. I have quite a few of these black faceted bead necklaces now. Maybe I'll do it on one day. Another cuffling. So interesting. Why are they shaped like that? It doesn't look like somebody stepped on it. It looks like it's like that. Another necklace from this glass, black glass faceted. A lot of them is Austria. This one definitely has an Austrian feel to it. It's heavy glass, heavy beads. Now that's plastic. Oh, here you go. Made in Austria. Made Austria. Good beads. Really pleasant. I feel different with the Austrian glass. Oh, a very broken brooch. Grapes. I think there should be some crystals here. I would put a crystal here, and I think there was something there, because you can see there is like... Yeah, I think there was something on the sides as well. I don't know what happened to this brooch. I know what? This feels like it's not plastic, this one, definitely. It's either, but is it glass or is it like porcelain or is it some kind of stone? And if it's a stone, what kind of stone? Something happened to it too. A chain. Oh. Look at the chain first. Never seen a chain like that. That's weird. It just has a signature or marking. Oh, it is 9 to 5. Should turn it around actually. There's a small star here.